You don't need complex tools to standardize daily operations. Most teams confuse SOPs with static documents that gather dust. That misconception causes missed deadlines and inconsistent handoffs. Hi, I'm an operations advisor with years automating workflows. I've helped SMBs, project managers, and ops teams scale reliably. The core problem? SOPs lack scheduling, tracking, and accountability. Static checklists don't enforce due dates or show live progress. Your team loses time recreating processes and chasing updates. You need step-by-step workflows with dynamic dates and monitoring. That's where NextStep enters. SOPs turned into trackable workflows. NextStep builds step-by-step SOPs with scheduling, assignments, and tracking. It sets dynamic due dates based on rules and recurrence. You can schedule monthly, custom days, or recurring patterns easily. Assign owners, set start dates, and monitor real-time progress. White label options let your processes reflect your brand identity. Upload logos, choose hex brand colors, and provision custom subdomains. For example, acme.getnextstep.io shares branded workflows externally and internally. The editor uses drag and drop task blocks and configurable form fields. Create templates like volunteer onboarding or investor wiring checklists quickly. Pre-built templates include onboarding, workstation setup, compliance, and wiring. Each task supports dependencies, inputs, assignees, due dates, and notes. Run-level analytics show total, active, completed counts, and average time. Searchable process run tables make auditing and reporting straightforward and quick. Why recommend NextStep? Because it turns SOPs into enforceable workflows. Dynamic rules guarantee on-time execution instead of overdue tasks piling. Scheduling and recurrence eliminate manual calendar maintenance and guesswork. Live tracking gives managers visibility without endless status update meetings. For compliance, input forms and audit trails provide secure traceability. Example: HR runs 5-step onboarding templates with automated monthly scheduling. New hires receive tasks, forms, and progress tracking immediately. Managers monitor completion rates and average completion times in dashboard. Finance teams use the investment wiring checklist for secure wire compliance. Task dependencies prevent transfers before KYC and amount confirmations complete. Agencies white label processes to present client-facing branded run links. Creators collaborate by inviting team members to build and assign tasks. NextStep's modal-based schedule editor makes recurrent setup fast and intuitive. Update or delete schedules with quick actions when plans change. Search, preview, and publish templates with a single click. We measured a 30% reduction in onboarding completion time. Teams report fewer follow-ups and clearer accountability across processes. One e-commerce operations team saved hours weekly with automation. Project managers regained capacity previously spent on manual coordination tasks. If you prioritize reliability, NextStep reduces human error and delays. Its clean, minimal dashboard keeps focus on actions and metrics. Templates, checklists, and task templates accelerate repeatable process deployment. Drag and drop editing makes updates painless for non-technical team members. White labeling and custom domains enhance client trust and brand consistency. Run analytics reveal bottlenecks so you can optimize workflows quickly. NextStep integrates process control with execution and visibility in one app. For operations teams and project managers, implementation is straightforward. Set up templates, invite creators, assign owners, then run schedules. Monitor runs, export reports, iterate templates based on real data. Discover NextStep's best deal on AppSumo today and save. Start with a template, white label it, and run within minutes. Standardize processes, ensure on-time execution, and monitor progress live. NextStep gives teams reliable repeatability, accountability, and measurable outcomes. If you manage operations, this tool immediately removes workflow friction. Try NextStep on AppSumo and start automating with confidence today. Click through to see templates, pricing, and limited-time offers. Make SOPs actionable. Turn checklists into trackable workflows now.